Okay, well, we're still with the tripod not here, so we'll try and place that so you can actually see it. Harvard now Harrier CB from 1981. This is one of trucking and farming. So we did the video a couple of weeks back of servicing this radio, and then I sent the front in to Andy at Vintage, Lake Vintage Electronics. That's been refurbished, so this is the refurbished front. Obviously I didn't need to show you me putting 6 screws in, putting that front back on, but there we are. That's a refurbished front from Vintage, Lake Vintage Electronics. So always great service from him. I don't know where we're going to put this because the camera seems to be moving. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that on this radio with no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station 153.9 and 179.9.
Roger on that. Is it raining still?
Not currently raining, but the roads are wet.
Roger on.
Right, we're now square wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Got you with square wheels at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Good better.
Passing the top of the hill, let's go down towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner, and I'm on a
Harrier CB from 1981 doing a full force output. I'm on a factory original microphone. And what else? For what's outputting?
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger.
battery indicator on this. Might not be the whole testing.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got to the 5 mile point on this Harrier CB Cybernet 134 set from 1981, being full force output. I'm on the factory original mic. We're going to go over to low power. It's set for 400 milliwatts, if I can just find the switch. It's 54321. There we are. It's 400 milliwatts, drawing 500 milliamps, and there we are back on full power. Over.
Yeah, roger that, no problem on full power. Low power had to override the squelch, but you were legible. I don't know if the dampness is making a difference.
Roger on that. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger on that. Is the battery, is the camera still running?
It is, yes.
Oh, it's literally cleared that bit.
Yeah, roger that. Yeah, there's one bar left on it. It might run the whole test, I don't know.
GPS usually bombs out just when you get around that corner. You usually have to take the final half mile off the main one rather than the GPS control one.
Roger that. Right, we're square wheeled for the train.
Oh great, that'll make it run out. Roger.
Yeah, just when we didn't need it anyway. There you go. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing.
Yeah, petrol's 155.9, diesel 184.7.
That was really worked. Treat as expected. Thanks very much. It's 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Train's on through with 2 units, normal one.
Roger on that, nothing secret. Roger, just got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price there at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, petrol's 155.9, diesel 184.7.
That worked really worked to treat as expected. Thanks very much, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Absolutely super. Right, we'll go over to the base station, see what it sounds like on the similarly chassis Cybernet 134 set, which is the Midlands M6900.
Tango 21, testing the Harrier CB into our Midlands M6900 base station using a factory original mic. Testing 12345, 54321, probably on low power for Hunter. There we are on low power. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. Back to full power. There we are, back on full power. So tomorrow we might have got the PNI to finish off if we can make a part fit. And there we have it. Thanks for watching. Harrier CB, Cybernet 134 set from 1981.